Hello everybody, welcome another Melasoft business session. And today we would like to demonstrate our account receivable and account payable solution in our portal site and SAP add-on. And I will do this with my colleagues Salih and I'm Suleiman. I'm working as a solution architect and at Melasoft. And yeah, we are expert on providing cutting-edge business solutions and like leveraging the latest technologies to streamline and optimize business process. And as a Melasoft, we have expertise on SAP and also non-SAP solutions such as Java, mobile solution, React solutions. And we have compliance solution, and today we will demonstrate our compliance SaaS solution. And yes, my colleagues here, Salih.
Hello, I'm Salih, the product owner at Melasoft for this product. My focus is to ensure that our solutions align with the needs of our customers, providing real value by enhancing efficiency and compliance in financial operations.
Yes, today in our demo we will demonstrate one scenario, and in this scenario Salih will be supplier and I will be receiver, and he will send me invoice and three type of invoice, and one Zugfert invoice, one PDF like standard PDF paper invoice kind of, and the other one will be XRechnung, and it will be through PEPPOL network, and I will receive the one invoice through a PEPPOL network and the rest of three invoice via email, and I will show you, demonstrate also how our email parser and how our OCR after email parser, how OCR is working in the Melasoft solution. And on end of this demo, and I will also post the document in SAP. If you don't have SAP, you can use our solution and you can integrate our solution with our APIs with your ERP solution or with your business solutions. And let me create first from my side like how I can be part of the PEPPOL network, and I will create one new company and I will register PEPPOL network in test environment, and also I will create an email address for receiving not electronic invoice, actually the paper invoice and Zugfert invoice, and also XRechnung in Germany. And in Germany right now the regulation says that you need to have one email address to able to receive electronic invoices. So I will create also one email address in Melasoft platform to be able to receive these invoices. And let me create one sample here. I will share my screen with you, and this is one of our test account.
By the way, I cannot see your screen, Suleiman.
Okay, and now I will show you.
Yeah, I see your screen.
Okay, nice. Then right now I open one of my test company, and under this Germany Gamba, I can join PEPPOL. Right now it's not PEPPOL on PEPPOL network, and with just pressing join PEPPOL network, I need to read this condition and the sign. Then after this submit, and Melasoft administration team, and they will get your request and they will process. And right now I applied, and as an admin from Melasoft, Salih can approve my join PEPPOL request. Like this process is different based on the country requirement in Germany, and we need to, as the PEPPOL provider, Melasoft should prove the customer address, the requester address. But in different countries there are different type of the approved systems, kind of SSL signatures, and so that in Germany it's just approve right now address of the company. So could you please approve my request, Salih?
Yeah, I approved that, but you need to refresh your page.
Okay, nice. Then I am in the PEPPOL network test platform. Good. Yes, now the PEPPOL ID is created. The PEPPOL ID is starting 9930. This is Germany COSIT standard, and also the text ID on the right side. So this is standard, and every country they have their own standard. They have their own prefix here. And now I would like to also activate my email for receiving electronic invoices in Germany. As I said, like we have like two options to receive, actually three options: via mail, manual, we can upload document here, and also via PEPPOL platform. And in my email right now, I don't have any email address, and I will create one email test. Okay, Germany GmbH, and this is our test platform, so that the invoice will be created and the email address will be created with adding test. And as you can see, this is test address. So what is the business scenario here? And as a company, Germany GmbH, I will receive emails, and I will forward these emails to this email address belongs to Melasoft, and in the Melasoft platform. So in this mail, we are expecting your invoices, and we will parse the emails, and we will parse your bodies, and we will try to find the invoice, XMLs, PDFs, ZUG files. Also, in case of the junk, spam, like virus, some kind of like malfunctional files, we will inform you in our cockpit. And yeah, I am ready, Sally, and I am waiting your invoice, and I will receive invoice actually in this address, and I will then forward these invoices to this address. So it's up to you. You can give your partners your DocNova address, DocNova AI address, or you can use your own address, company address, email address, kind of Rechnung at Germany GmbH.de, and you can just automatically forward mails to this our email address, or you can select by yourself and you can forward. And okay, Sally, now I am waiting your invoices and my incoming invoices right now. Some samples, but I will be waiting your invoice, and I'm giving screen controls to you.
Okay.
You have my text ID, right? You have already
Yeah.
PEPPOL ID. You saw it, yeah.
But you can type it for me, and I share my screen now. This is my test account, and let me create
Okay,
an
you are
invoice.
based on Belgium right now. You will send the invoice from Belgium. Yeah, you
Yeah,
can create the same type of invoice, PDF invoice, for example, or Zuckbert, or you can send through the PEPPOL platform. In PEPPOL ID in Belgium is starting 9925. As I said, like different countries, they have different standardizations.
firstly, I want to create a PDF invoice. Yeah, in order to use it more than one, I save it and I create it.
You saved as a draft first with the
Yeah,
pressing save button. Yes. And it's saved as a PDF, and source is uh, like our portal. Like we have source of the file here. As I mentioned, actually you can also integrate our platform with your ERP system, and I can show also during the presentation how you can generate the API key for integration and develop your own.
is it correct? German
Uh, yes, it's correct, but
GmbH.
yes, let me. No, GmbH. Yeah, it's not correct actually. But let me check my email settings for inbound. Yes.
Okay, I see now.
And also
these ones.
add my personal email address, for example. And yeah, as I mentioned, these business scenario can be different based on your setup. You can get first on your company email address invoices. You can get first in your company address, kind of like Rechnung, for example, Rechnung at Germany GmbH, and then forward to R. But here, Salik direct sending my personal email address and also my company invoicing email address. Yeah.
And the second one will be XRechnung. Sorry, for Belgium, PEPPOL bis 3.0. Okay, and could you share me your PEPPOL participant ID?
Yes. Share my PayPal ID. Also,
Okay.
as I know, you can search from dropdown. Also, there is a directory list for PayPal participants. Directory list, you can get your recipient, your partner's PayPal ID from that list. And for SAP ERP Pro customers, we have our own add-on, as I mentioned. Yeah, you can use from there. And we are actually getting all of this address and we are uploading on your SAP tables.
Okay.
You sent me to invoice, right?
Okay.
You already created this. You need to change the numbers. Yes. Yes.
As you see, my invoice is created and I want to send it with PEPPOL. In your incoming invoice, you can take it.
Okay, now I'm sharing my screen and I will receive the invoice, and I'm expecting to see invoices in my cockpit, even the emails. And yeah, let me share my screen now, Sally. As a receiver, it's now my turn. And here I created my email address and I am looking incoming invoice. As you can see, there are two invoices. One of them is already from previous sample, but this one is from PEPPOL network, and I received because it's coming PEPPOL network and it's coming from Belgium, and Belgium test some address, but Sally is Frankfurt. And you talk just address. This is Frankfurt. It's
Autofill.
yeah, okay. But as I saw, the company name is Belgium test and it's received, and I can see the XRechnung details. I can download and I can process it and I can export the list as a file. And now the other one for Germany, the most important thing is for Germany, parsing emails, features of Melasoft. And I'm looking at the inbox invoice. And
Okay, I sent you an email with attachment my Zuckwerk.
okay, I received your email and also another email. The second one actually for testing purpose. As you can see here, we have like different status invoice detection. There is one invoice under this email. There is like we couldn't find any invoice under this email. That's why it's unknown. Actually, the title, everything is same. As you can see, there are status. Yes, there are attachment, but the attachments are not invoice. So there is an invoice here. I'm just opening this invoice. Yes, I can see one invoice here. You can open this invoice and you can also send this invoice to the incoming path. I'm pressing this button and I'm expecting this invoice will be appears in my incoming invoices. And Melasoft email parser and detect this invoice, and I'm sending now my incoming invoice.
Yeah.
As you can see, the documents appeared here, and we created one Zugfahrt invoice, and he sent with another email from another company for testing purpose, because the Zugfahrt invoice is not possible in Germany, in Belgium, sorry. And you can see XML and you can see PDF, and in PDF, as you can see, we have Factorix. This is a hybrid version of invoice in Zugfahrt invoice type. So you can see here we received one email, one invoice via email, one invoice via PEPPOL network, and so the source actually explained this invoice how we received it. And what you can do, as I mentioned before, and you can create ERP management. You can create your own API key, and uh, you can integrate your ERP system or third-party system with Melasoft Portal here. And we have email settings for inbound and outbound. And for outbound, you can create your email template. And in email inbound, you can create email address for receiving invoice. And what we have invoice settings, we have company settings. As in company settings, as you can see, this is Germany company, and this is another advantage of Melasoft invoicing solution here. You can use different countries under one solution, one portal solution. So if you have a company entity in Romania or in Belgium, in Turkey, or in Kazakhstan, in Egypt, and with just changing the company under this portal, you can manage your enterprise compliance solution invoices. As you can see here, like we have like one company on as a setup in Romania, the Süleyman Çelik. When I press it, it's changing actually the company, and here we have like different application, app raw, and it's the server, different server, and this company data is under different servers. That's why we have different app logic here. And I am jumping back to the Germany company, XRechnung portal company settings. And what we have here, you can use company user, you can create the company and the users, and you can assign the users to the company. And we have like some company logic, and if you have a like big enterprise company, like based on the headquarters in Germany, you can create one company in Germany, and you can create some companies in Germany. Also, you can create some entities in different countries in the Europe, West Europe, East Europe, like Asia, Africa. And end of day in the head, you can manage all of these compliance solution, invoice solution, Safety, e-ledger, delivery, all of these solution under one platform. And yeah, like today, actually, we demonstrate to you just Germany part. For example, in case of the Romania, I selected Romania company, and under the account info and under account partner settings, under settings, we have enough information on is the tax authority of Romania. So you need to enter the connection information here that to be able to send and receive the invoice through ANAF portal. And I'm coming back to Germany, and actually we are done, I think, in the portal side, and we demonstrate a solution. Let's make one PDF solution, Sally, and just upload and then show the OCR, so that on the SAP side, we can show also as a Germany Gambia, I can show how I can manage my incoming electronic invoices and invoices in under one screen, under one transaction in SAP, and all of the account payables under one screen. And let me upload one invoice here. As you can see, incoming invoice, as I mentioned before, we have like different type of ways to receive invoice via email, via PEPPOL network, and we can upload the invoice. And now I will use the upload option, or you can scan with our app, or you can receive PDF invoices via mail. Okay, now I will upload one invoice to show the latest case for inbound process, and I have one PDF here, and this is just PDF invoice. You can think like paper invoice, and as I mentioned, you have like two options to also upload PDF invoice. Three options, sorry. One with pressing upload on portal in our portal, or using our app, or via mail, and it's waiting to be uh, scanned by our Mela AI right now. It's still waiting, and I check it and scanned and by Mela AI. As you can see, like on the right side, Mela AI catch the related information, and on the right side we have confirm button, and yeah, if all of the fields are like all of the required fields are scan and catch by Mela AI, and then it will be confirmed automatically. But here we have, like, for testing purpose, we have confirm button. Confirm button means that like the PDF is checked and confirmed by the users, and it's ready to be processed in SAP site or your ERP site. And I'm pressing the confirm button. As you can see here, we have PDF and all of the information are populated, and you can see the rest of the information, and from whom and the date, all of the amount information. So as you can see here, we have like XRechnung, sources, portal, and again another XRechnung, sources, PEPPOL network. We have another XRechnung, it's again portal means uploaded, and Zugfahrt, and we catch from this email, and we have PDF here. And now, like actually, I think we are done in portal side, and we explain the our features in Germany right now. And of course, we have too many in our roadmap in near future, and we will make another demo in maybe in 1 month to show our new updates. And every 2 weeks, we have like one deploy, and we are updating our solution based on your requirement and country requirements and compliance of the country. And right now, actually, I am ready as a Germany Gamba to process these files in my ERP system, SAP. And I will connect SAP system, and I will show you the process of SAP, and I will run the job, and I will show you our inbound cockpit in SAP to manage to lead all of the account payable documents in one transaction code in one platform. And yeah, what is the difference of Melasoft solution here? It's clear and it's obvious. We are managing all of your invoice for inbound and outbound in one cockpit and in one platform. Now I am in SAP system, and I type the company name in SAP, and this is our background jobs, which gets inbound documents from our cockpit and for Germany, and it's receive all of the invoices, paper invoice, Zugfahrt, XRechnung. So I'm just running my job, and so manual, and I got 4 invoice from our cloud platform. As you can see, 4 invoice because I already uploaded today. And yeah, we received the documents, and now I will show in our inbound cockpit. And as you can see in our inbound cockpit, in drop down you can see the some list of the countries. So we use this one cockpit for inbound documents, and under the inbound documents, depend of the countries, we have like some features we are activating or deactivating. These kind of features, kind of and like send rejection or exception to the senders or government, or some status checks, some like signature, whatever. And now in our demo, we use the Germany, and I will just filter with date of today, and I can see 4 files. I can open the XMLs, PDFs of the documents. As you can see, the PDF and the XML of the documents, And now what is the next? Actually, we can process the documents, we can download these files, we can send the emails. Here, for example, I want to send this invoice to the one of my colleagues, and here I can send you Sally, or I can send myself. I'm a little bit selfish here. And sorry, this is subject and invoice from Sally, and recipients, and okay, external address. I can add attachment, but the attachments automatically comes from our solution, and you can add also some attachment here, or you can change this attachment, delete, or as I said, like attachment, kind of put another PDF. And this is the content, and you can add hello, this.
I hear fireworks, by the way, Suleiman.
Okay. Yeah, it's almost New Year. This
Happy New Year.
invoice, thank you. This invoice is from Sally, Belgium. And Sally, Belgium, I am sending mail to you here. And I attach the PDF. I sent one email, and I have FI and MM buttons. Like when I press the FI buttons, and the parse information from cockpit appears here. Automatic, the reference information, the posting date information, the amount information, and amount information is parsed from OCR. If it is Zugwerk, we are parsing from XML, or if it is XRechnung, we are parsing from XML again. So, and we have like this FI process option. Depend of the customers, you can also use the parking option. And I don't want to process this document, and yeah, this standard SAP error, because I sent them emails and I couldn't send. Actually, the settings are missing. That's why I got this error. And we have button here. If it is like purchasing documents like goods, and as you can see here, we are finding the text depend of the customizing, and now we couldn't arrange it, but we can do this in your system. The amount, the quantity appeared here, and I don't know why we couldn't cache the quantity, but quantity is 100. So in sample, actually, yeah, it's fine. The material information. Okay, sorry, this is coming from purchase order, because the purchase order parts in the document, and it's from the purchase order. So here, as you can see, order number, and from order number, this purchase order and the material information appeared. Actually, the demo material here on SAP is muster material, pure text, and they are not same, because one of them is our vendor material text description, the other one is our system material description. As you can see, we found all of the information, and vendor is found also from behind of the text ID. The sender, invoice sender, Sally, supplier is defined in our system. And this is our process button, and we can do this again for all your inbound invoices, incoming invoices. It can be PDF, it can be Zugwerk, it can be XRechnung through our PEPPOL platform, or it can be Romania, or whatever, different countries also. Yeah, actually that's all from my side, Salih. And you send me invoice, and I received invoice, and I process in our portal, or I can directly forward them to our ERP system, SAP system, and process in the SAP system, or with a third-party other ERP system or third-party solution. You can use API, and you can receive the document, and you can process in your systems. And yeah, that's all from my side, Sally. Thank you. Thank you for sending invoice. I hope I will pay in New Year.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone, for your time and attention. We look forward to collaborating with you to optimize your financial operations. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year. See you in the next time.